Hey everyone, it's me again. I'm gonna be doing a video of the ceiling fan in the airport hotel. This time. And I'm gonna be going to Disney World tomorrow, so that's gonna be fun. It only has one speed though, unfortunately. There's no remote and there's only one switch. Anyway, here's the light. And anyway, I'm gonna turn it on. It's on high, I think. Medium or high, but I can't really tell. I can't tell if it's even wobbling. It might be wobbling just a slight bit, but I don't know. But, yeah. Anyway, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.